Hey everybody, how's it going? So in this video I'm going to be doing just a quick little tour of all my 1 to 400 scale models. So yeah, this is just my collection so far. And then further on, maybe do this like every 6 months or something. I don't really know yet, but alright, we'll just get started. So first off, right here, we have this Alaska E-175 in the Honoring Those Who Serve livery. This is the newest plane that I have, like, by release date. This is a Gemini jet. Next up, we have this Gemini Jets BAE 146-200, or the Avro RJ85 of Air, and then the airline is Air Cal. Next up is the Gemini Jets BAC 111-200 series in the US Air paint scheme. Up next is this Cubana Gemini Jets 1 to 400 scale, obviously. Cubana IL62M. Next up is this Gemini Jets Lockheed C-130H. This is in the 20 years livery of the Belgium Air Force. Next up is this Lufthansa A340-600 series by Herpa, and it's in the Bayer Munich Tour livery. Next up is this Orbis DC-10-10. This is a Gemini Jets aircraft. And then next up is this Orbis DC-8-51. This is also a Gemini Jets aircraft. And then moving on to our Boeing planes, we have this Egypt Air 737-320 Combi. This is a Gemini Jets aircraft. Next aircraft is the Alaska Airlines 727-100 series, I believe. This is also a Gemini Jets aircraft. Next up is the Gemini Jets Hap-Hing Lloyd Boeing 737-800 in the old livery. Next up is this Flying Tigers Boeing 747-100F. This is also a Gemini Jets aircraft. Next is this Gemini Jets 747 SP of Mandarin Airlines. Next is this Phoenix Models 747-400ER in the Boeing House livery. Next up is this American Transair Gemini Jets Boeing 757-200 in the 25th anniversary year livery. Next up is this Gemini Jets Ethiopian 767-300ER, I believe. This is in the Ethiopian retro livery. Next up is this Phoenix Models Boeing 777-300 in the Jaguar livery. You can see he has the Jaguar on the nose there. And then last but not least is this Qantas Airlines Gemini Jets Boeing 787-900 in the Qantas 100 years anniversary livery. So, the smallest plane by capacity that I have is the E-175. And my favorite one is this Boeing 747-100 in the Flying Tigers livery. I just really like this livery, and this was the first one that I ever got. This is the plane that helped me into the hobby, so I don't know, it's just my favorite. I really like it. So, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.